Situational Problem Involving Circle.
In every lesson, we should know how to properly use every solution. As you can see, there's a problem, and we can use this to see how we can properly know how. The Philippine 5 peso coin has a diameter of 25 mm. Find the standard equation of the 5 peso coin when the center is at 8 and 18. And the standard form equation of the circle is the formula x minus h squared plus y k squared minus r squared. And r is radius. After that, we need to identify our h, k, and r or radius, and we need to derive it. As you can see, 8 is h, 8, 18, k, 18, and our radius is 12.5 from 25 mm. And that's the step on how we could solve this problem. Our second problem is a Ferris wheel is elevated 1 meter above the ground. When a car reaches the highest point on the Ferris wheel, its altitude from the ground level is 51 meters. How far away from the center horizontally is the car when it is in an altitude of 30 meters? As you can see, the Ferris wheel is elevated from the ground 1 meter above the ground, and the highest point of the Ferris wheel is 51 meters. From that, we can get the diameter by minusing 51 minus 1 is equals to 50. And that means our radius is 25 meters. From this diagram, we can now solve our Ferris wheel problem, and by the use of standard form equation of circle formula. First, we need to write the formula x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. Our h and k is the center, and r is our radius. In this case, our center is 0 and 26, and our radius is 25 from 15 meters. Again, we need to know how far from y-axis if our altitude is 30 meters. Therefore, we are looking for the value of x if our y is 30 meters. I change y to 30 because we are finding x if our y is 30. So 30 minus 26 is equals to 4 squared. Next, we need to square 4. 16 is equals to 625. Our next move is we need to transpose 16. Now it's x squared is equals to 625 minus 16, and equals to x squared is equals to 609. Now we need to get the square root of each side. The square root of x is x, and the square root of 609 is 24.68 meters. And our final answer is 24.68 meters.